Hey guys, I just finished the workout you're about to do. Now I'm drinking my Forte Elements amino acids for recovery and repair of my muscles. I used an X band for the whole set of all 10 exercises. So it's a banded burnout. If you don't have a band, you can do the workout without, but if you do, it's really good to have a very high resistance one if you want to work really hard. This one's cloth, so I don't feel like it kind of pulls like the rubber ones and hurts sometimes. So this one's awesome, highly recommend. Have fun with it. It's not a race, it's not a competition. Go at your own pace and your own level. You can take little breaks if you need, but try and get right back in it because it's fast. And I really recommend you doing it at least 2 or 3 times through the circuit, okay? Have fun. I'll see you on the mat with your band right above your knees for the whole 10 exercises. We're going right into side squat, side step the whole time. Again, take your time. This is not a race. We're gonna really burn out those muscles. Here's your 10-second countdown. Start on one side of the mat. Deep breath in. Go. Side tap. Side squat, side tap. You could add compulsion and kind of jump into this, or you can just completely step. Low impact. All right, listen to your body. Push yourself. But again, you work at your pace, your level. Booty in the chair. Stick those hips back. Keep the spine nice and long and straight, even though we're kind of leaning forward about 45 degrees when we stick those hips back. Keep breathing. Keep fighting. Good, my band is pretty strong, so I'm already feeling this. Keep the belly really actively pulled in, bracing the abs. Whoo! Squat, side tap. One squat, tap out, tap in. With or without that jump. Gonna feel this tomorrow. All right, exercise 2. The band word is come into plank position. Spread your fingers wide, tuck the tailbone, press the shoulders down, plug the belly in. Go. Mountain climber, run those knees into the chest, pulling on the band, and then lizard push-ups. One hand and one knee, crawl forward, come back. 4 and 8. So we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step together, step together. Couple more, gaze ahead, flat back, butt down. Keep fighting. Spread those fingers, grip the mat. Whoo, lizard, climb, come back. Climb, elbow in, elbow forward and out. Whoo, feeling this. Knees in. Protract those shoulders. Lizard. Come back. All right. Next exercise, Russian twist. And then we're going to open and close the thighs. Come down to your back. Breathe. And go. Good. Give me about 8 twists. We'll prop up onto the forearms and then open and close. Feet stay touched. This little frog leg for 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You don't have to work at my pace. 4. Open the knees. Keep those big toes touching if you can. Hopefully you have a nice strong band that's giving you a lot of resistance. I'm feeling all of these right away. This is my X bands. I'll put the link in my description below. Breathe. Keep fighting. Exhale as you twist. All right, next exercise. Coming back to your feet. We get to keep this right where it is. Side skater, and then a back tap. Breath in, breath out. Here we go. We're gonna skate for 4. And then the second set of 4, we're gonna add a tap back for 2. So out, down, back, tap, lunge. Side, back, back. Makes sense? Jump across the mat, tap, tap. Of course, you can make this low impact. The next 4 we'll do regular, skate. Then we'll add the back step. 2, 1. Skate, back tap. 2, 1. Plug that belly in. Stay in it. We got this. Skate. Woo. We get to lay down next. Now add that back tap. Skate, step back 2. Breathe. Next exercise. We're gonna come on our side, push that shoulder down under the elbow, pull the belly in, stack the hips and knees. You can straighten the legs a little bit. Here we go. We're gonna hip lift, 2, and then we're gonna abduct, 2. Hip, hip, squeeze, squeeze. Keep those hips stacked, lift lower, and then lift, lift. One more here, and we'll switch sides. Spin your feet around, stack your elbows under your shoulders, hip stack. Lift the hips 2, and then abduct 2. Hips, hips, that top leg can straighten if it's accessible. Hip, hip, abduct, abduct, squeeze, squeeze. Keep pressing the shoulder down, long space under the ear to the shoulder. And breathe. All right, tabletop, spinal balance. We'll set up in tabletop. If it's too hard to keep the one hand lifted, just keep both hands down. Let's take the right arm out. The left leg is gonna abduct. Go, out 4 times, and then we'll switch sides. Other arm, opposite leg, out to the side, little fire hydrant. Press the shoulder down, plug the belly in. Again, it really depends on how much resistance you have, but you could absolutely do this workout without a band, or take it off if it's just getting way too intense, or make the moves smaller. Whew. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Your pace. Whew. You could do this with the arms down if you need to. Little less core. All right, next exercise, we'll come into a tiptoe squat and plank jacks. Take a couple breaths. All right, belly in, hips back. Go. We'll sit, tiptoe, heel, jump. Sit, tiptoe, heel, jump to plank jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull it in. Jack, tiptoe, pull it in. Jump wide to your toes, to your heels. Jump in, jump down, plank jacks. 4, 3, spread your fingers, press your shoulders down, pull the belly in. Good. Wide squat, tiptoe down, jump, down, tiptoe. Bring it down to the ground. Plank jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1. We got this. Whew. Hup, hup, jump. Toes, heels, jump. Bring it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Wide, toe, heel. All right, we get to keep the band again where it is for the whole time. We're coming down on our side. Stack the hips. Breathe. Here we go, back in it. Big toe tap for 2. Side abs. Again, abduct for 2. Tap, tap, squeeze, squeeze. Keep those hips stacked. Tap, tap, leg lift, leg lift. One more time here, and then we'll switch our feet around, or you could just turn your body, roll over. I'll face you. So big side toe tap, and then abduct, abduct. Tap it up. You can prop up to the forearm, the elbow, squeeze. Whoo! Hup, hup. We got this. Stack those hips. They can be a little bit diagonal on the abs, and then stack them. Keep fighting, keep breathing. All right, next exercise, we come into bridge. We'll go on the tiptoes, so walk your feet in, engage the core, pull the ribs down. Take a couple breaths. Here we go. Roll it up. Good, open, close, open, close. Peel it down. Roll it up, open, close, open, close. Drop the heels, leg lift. 3, 2, 1. Reset, pop on the toes. Roll it up, open, close, open, close. Roll down, again, roll up, open, close, open, close. High bridge, roll down, flat feet, leg lifts. 4, 3, if you need to adjust the band, you can pull it lower. Reset on the toes. Roll it up, abduction, out, out. Woo. Roll down, abduction, out, out. Roll, feet down, knees in. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we end with a big cardio push. We're gonna take it wide and narrow. You could bring the band low to your ankles, or just keep it right up above your knees. Deep breath in. It's gonna be a quick football. Run wide, run narrow. As fast as you can. About halfway through, we'll just change that lead leg. I'm totally guessing. Remember, you can always repeat these exercises 2 or 3 more times. I would definitely recommend doing it once more, so when you're more familiar with the exercise, you can move a little quicker and smoother. Switch lead. Breathe. Big cardio sprint. Keep fighting. You could switch. And then switch. Just the lead leg. Wide, wide, narrow, narrow. Come on. Don't give up. Maybe 4 per side. Take your mind off of it. Woo! Come on. All right, we did it. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Let your head hang. Bend one knee, the other. Come up on one set of heels. Gentle spinal twist. If you can't reach the floor, grab onto the leg. Switch, twist. Stack the shoulders, soften the knees if you need to. Bring them back, jump through a vinyasa. Plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog. Come down. Do that a few times, cobra or up dog. Up dog to down dog. Pedal through those feet again. Bend, bend. Chest towards toes, spread the fingers wide. Deep breath in. Come high on the toes, gaze forward. Bend the knees, jump the hips up high. And land. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale. Take as much time as you need to cool down and stretch. Thanks for joining me. Quick, fast and furious little banded workout. Again, I welcome you to try this 2 or 3 times through. All right, leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you really soon. Bye.